It is for freedom that Christ has set us free. Stand firm. Then do not let yourself be burdened again by a yoke of slavery. Galatians 5.
Hello family, warmest welcome back again to the Lovey Star channel. I do hope you're doing well and I trust that you're taking good care of yourself. Guess what family, this weekend happens to be the Ghana weekend. Yes, happy birthday to my favorite country, Ghana. We are celebrating our Independence Day. That happens to be tomorrow, the 6th of March, and it happens to be my mom's birthday as well. So I'm always so excited on that day. Okay, so today I'll be sharing
delicious but simple Garifortor. Yes, you can call it Gari Jollof as well. As you can see, the colors are popping and it's looking so good. So please stay tuned while we do this together. You are definitely going to love this. So for my ingredients, I will need lots of onions, habanero pepper, garlic, ginger. Here I have some natural spices. Here I use cloves and coriander seed and 1 Maggi shrimp tablet. And I need 3 fresh tomatoes for my quick stew, and I have some bell peppers, all the colors representing Ghana. We have red, gold and green. Of course, Ghana, stand up. And I also have my spring onions, tomato paste and oil, and of course some Gari. That is the main king of the ingredients. Okay, so let's get started. Of course, some salt to taste. Now, by chopping all my fresh ingredients, this tomatoes is going to be blended, so in no particular order I'm going to chop them. Okay, so feel free to chop it whatever form or shapes and sizes that you prefer. This absolutely depends on you. So yes, make it your own, put your name on it. Okay. As we finish chopping all the choppables, we're going to blend all the blendables as well. So I have here my tomatoes, habanero pepper, garlic, ginger, and my natural spices as well. And yeah, we give it a quick blend, and our quick stew is about to start. My pan, I put in my vegetable oil. You can use any type of oil that you prefer, and put in my chopped onions, and I'm going to fry it till it's golden brown. With this recipe, I chose to use fresh garlic here as well. I divided into 2. I blended half and added the half to my fried onions, and let me tell you, it brings extra flavor to it. So if you are a garlic lover like I myself, please do this and you're going to love this. Okay, here goes in my tomato paste, and yes, as you already know, this has been said countless time here, to make your tomato paste cook faster, always best you start with it. Okay, and you add about a teaspoonful of your curry powder to it, and it will remove that sourness that comes with it. It has been said over and over again. Have an already made stew hiding somewhere in your fridge. Please forget all this process and go straight to the next one where we add it to our Gari. Okay, so this is the stew, simple stew recipe that I will be sharing. So here goes in my blended vegetables. With a quick stir, cover it and allow it to simmer through for the next 7 to 10 minutes, and I'll come back, add my spices that I have, and cover it once again. And before you realize, my simple stew, it will be done. All that I need to do right now is to add my chopped vegetables, that colorful beautiful vegetables of your choice. I chose these bright colors. They make my Garifortor beautiful. It doesn't look boring at all with these vegetables. And also I divided it into 2. I used the half in the stew, and I will be using the other half when it's all done. I want it fresh and crunchy in my Garifortor, and it makes it even more beautiful. I did cover it for 7 to 10 more minutes and allow it to simmer. Do your final tasting. If you need more salt, please add it. If not, you leave it as it is. Okay, so it is ready, and now I'm going to prep my Gari. I love my Garifortor to be crunchy. I do not want it to feel like eba. Okay, so I just sprinkle a little bit of water and then give it a quick stir. You ever tasted couscous before? That is how I love my Garifortor to be. And yes, you go ahead to sprinkle a little bit more water, just a little bit. Okay, you have to really mind the amount of water you use here because it would affect the outcome. So you just have to measure it well. Just make it look like this as seen on your screen. Okay, so right now I'll be introducing stew to it, and I will give it a good stir, and then before you realize, our Garifortor will be done. It's so easy. And anyways, my husband also shared a video of how he makes his own version of Garifortor using the palm oil version, and I will link it right up here for you to watch. Okay, so yeah, the amount of stew totally depends on you, how soft or how crunchy you want it. So throw it down, and once it's all mixed together, you go ahead and throw the leftover veggies to make it even more colorful and beautiful. And just like that, your Garifortor is done. Look at that beauty. It's looking absolutely delicious. And yes, this is Gari Jollof and Kasa, and as you can see, there's a lot of stew in there, but it is definitely not giving you that eba vibe. Okay, it's not that soft, very crunchy, and yet so rich. So I really want you to try this, and we throw it down well. It's very open. You can add lots of things if you want. You can even add your chicken, your sausage, fill it up with whatever you prefer. But we went ahead to pair it with this grilled croaker fish, and let me tell you, it was the real bomb. It was so delicious. Look at that. Amazing. Simply delicious. Irresistible. You can never resist this at all. It is so delicious. The crunchiness is everything. This is not only for sis macho. Any day of the year you can make this and enjoy yourself well. And so, my fellow Ghanaians, happy 6th of Macho, happy Independence Day. What will their Independence Day become without singing the national anthem? I love the Chi version, so here you go.
Our Ghanaian national anthem is spiritual, but the Chi version, I love those words. And even though I might flip-flop one of the words, please comment down below and do the corrections for me. Okay? Give me the beat. Oh, Yanara ya sasini, eya body di mayen, mojana na num shegu evitu ho mayen. Edrumene was so say ye be ye biatwaso nim den twaso koto kani and up is coming up and amaya so say no ato sem eh oh my no sebe yo oh my no sering yo eh yes and na hose oh man for nature oh my no sebe yo oh my no sering yo eh yes and na hose oh man for nature.
Have it, family. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia, and my main goal here is to cheer you up in making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. And I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos. So please come on board, subscribe, and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so much for watching once again, and just know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next video.